Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. It's actually approaching evening again. What I wanted to talk to you about in today's video is I wanted to focus on YouTube for affiliate marketing, and specifically for YouTube affiliate marketing, I want to talk about a couple of ways that SVP, which is that super value product, specifically talking about YouTube, is utilized in the process of affiliate marketing. So we're going to take a look at a couple of sites and compare them and see how they are using the YouTube platform, not to make money from AdSense revenue, but actually to monetize their traffic by sending their traffic from the YouTube video to the affiliate website and make their commission there. The first channel that we're going to be looking at is the Think Media channel, and this channel reviews a lot of YouTube type equipment for YouTubers, as well as of photo and video fanatics. As you can see in the description, the YouTube channel host for this channel has decided to add some affiliate links to products on Amazon. Next, we have the Soldier Knows Best YouTube channel, and as you could see as you scroll down here, he has added links back to his other channels, videos on his channel, as well as his social media, where you would find other links to affiliate programs and the like. He uses this to send traffic that direction. Let's look at the top 5 YouTube channel here. And in this YouTube channel, you can also see that what their technique they're using is they are reviewing products and going over a top 5 list. That way, as you can see, they can add their affiliate links to Amazon to all 5 products. Additionally, we're going to look at another YouTube channel, the 5 Best, and what they do here is they're reviewing proteins, and they're giving you 5 different proteins that they recommend, while also leaving affiliate links to those proteins, so that once you click to look at more information or you want to purchase that protein, it goes immediately to their Amazon associate affiliate link. After you have seen those examples of affiliate marketing using YouTube, it allows you to see how deeper and deeper into the process we can go, and it also lets you know that it's definitely something that you can do. You film your content, you have a content plan, and then you add your affiliate links. And I'll talk about how to get affiliate links in another video. But once you do that, you're able to have organic traffic and build traffic from your YouTube SVP directly to your affiliate marketing. So I hope you found this video helpful, and please hit some likes. If you like this type of content, please check out other videos on my channel, because we talk about more ways for veterans and others to make more money in the digital age, to create some sources of income, additional sources of income for yourself. So hope you found this great information, and I'll see you in the next video.